Hi there, welcome to the Digital JSD show. I'm so happy you're here. This podcast is all about digital marketing, how it works, and how people around the world are using it. I'll be chatting with marketing experts to learn about things like content marketing, SEO, social media, email marketing, and more. I am JSD Anandan, your host, and this podcast is brought to you by Digital JSD. That's my digital marketing consultancy helping businesses all over the world. You can check it out at digitaljsd.com. Since this is a brand new podcast, I would love to hear what you think. Got ideas, suggestions, or topics you would like me to talk about? Just send me an email at podcast@digitaljsd.com. And if you are enjoying the show, it would mean a lot if you leave a rating or review on your podcast app. Right now, let's jump right into our today's episode. In the last two episodes, we talked about building a foundation for digital marketing and explored content marketing, what it is, and why it's so important. Today, I am taking a step further and focusing on a critical piece of the digital puzzle, SEO or search engine optimization. If you have ever heard the term SEO and thought that sounds technical and complicated, don't worry. I am going to unpack it for you in the simplest way possible. By the end of this episode, you will have a clear understanding of what SEO is, why it matters, and how you can start utilizing it effectively for your business, freelancing career, or even a personal project. Let's dive right in. What exactly is SEO? Simply put, SEO or search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your website to increase its visibility when people search for products, services, or information on search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. The better your SEO, the higher your website ranks on those search result pages. Now, why does this ranking matter? Because studies show that most people don't scroll past the first page of search results. Think about it. When was the last time you clicked onto the second or third page of Google? Probably not very often, right? That's why being on the first page is so crucial. It helps your content get seen, drives organic traffic to your site, and ultimately leads to more conversion. The best part about SEO is that unlike paid advertising, it focuses on organic visibility, which means you don't have to pay for every click. But don't let that fool you. It's not a quick fix strategy. SEO is a long term commitment that, when done right, yields incredible results over time. Now, let's break down SEO into three main pillars to help you understand how it works. These pillars are on page SEO, off page SEO, and technical SEO. Let's go through them one by one. First one is on page SEO. This refers to the things you can control directly on your website. It includes optimizing your content, using the right keyword, crafting compelling meta titles and description, structuring your headings, and making sure your content is valuable to readers. For example, if you are running a baking blog and your audience is searching for how to make the perfect sourdough bread, incorporating that keyword strategically into your blog post can help search engines match your content to the user's query. Second one is off page SEO. Off page SEO happens outside your website. Think backlink. When other reputable websites link to your content, search engines see it as a vote of confidence. It's like someone vouching for you. Social media shares, guest blogging, and influencer partnerships are additional off page strategies that help build your authority online. Finally, technical SEO, which dives into the behind the scenes work that makes your website crawlable and accessible to search engines. This includes things like website speed, mobile friendliness, clean URLs, and even creating a proper sitemap. Don't worry. You don't have to be a developer to get started with technical SEO. There are tools that can help you guide and automate many of these steps. You might be wondering, how do search engines like Google decide which sites rank at the top? Well, they are something called algorithms to evaluate the website's relevance and quality based on hundreds of factors. But here are some key ones you should know about. First one is keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines. Incorporating the right one is your into your content is crucial, but avoiding stuffing your content with keywords, it has to feel natural and readable. Second is quality content. Remember, search engines are designed to serve users first. That means they prioritize content that answers questions, solves problems, and provides value. Quality always with quantity. Next is user experience. Google values websites that are easy to navigate, mobile friendly, and load quickly. If your site is clunky or slow, it can negatively impact your rankings. Next is backlinks. As I mentioned earlier, backlinks are like endorsed from other websites. The more high quality backlinks you have, the better your website looks to search engines. Final one is engagement. Factors like how long users stay on your site, how frequently they return, or how often they interact with your content can signal to search engines that your site is worth ranking higher. Now, before we move on, I want to highlight a few common mistakes people make with SEO so you can avoid them from the get go. First one is keyword stuffing. Using too many keywords in unnatural places can backfire. Search engines will notice and your rankings could actually drop. Next is ignoring mobile optimization. More people browse on phones than desktops these days. If your site isn't mobile friendly, you are leaving a lot of traffic on the table. Next is not focusing on user intent. If your content doesn't match what users are looking for, they will leave your site. And that's a signal to Google that your content isn't good enough to rank. Finally, skipping analytics and updates. SEO isn't set it and forget it. Regularly reviewing your performance and staying updated on search engine algorithms is essential. If you're wondering how to get started with SEO, let me walk you through a few tools that can make your life a lot easier. First one is Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These are free tools from Google to help you monitor your website's traffic, track performance, and identify issues affecting your rankings. Next is keyword research tools. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or even the free Google Keyword Planner can help you find the right keywords for your content. Next is website optimizer. Use tools like or Page Speed Insights to boost your site's speed and performance. Finally, the all-in-one SEO plugins. If you have a WordPress site, plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math are great for helping you optimize your on-page and technical SEO efforts. And that's our SEO crash course. I hope this episode helped you better understand what SEO is and simplified some of its concepts. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. If you have any questions about SEO or if there's a specific topic you would like me to cover in more detail, feel free to drop me an email at podcast@digitaljst.com. I'd be happy to hear from you. And if you found value in this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the Digital JST show. I have got tons of exciting topics lined up just for you. As always, stay curious, stay digital, and take action. Keep reaching for those top rankings. Until next time, take care and be happy optimizing. This podcast is brought to you by Digital JST. If you want more tips, strategies, and interviews with top marketing experts from around the world, make sure to subscribe to the Digital JST. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.